This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin on the source switch 2. Make sure both consoles are charged and on the same Wi-Fi. Go to System Settings, then Users. Once there, choose Transfer your user and save data. You select the source console first. This tells Nintendo which system holds the data. Make sure your Nintendo account is active on both devices. This authorizes the move. Start the send operation now and stay with both consoles until they confirm connection before proceeding to the next stage. Once the consoles detect each other, you will confirm which is source and which is target. Tap Confirm on both. The system transfers user profiles and save data first. This is why patience matters. If you also move micro SD content, the console will prompt whether to format or transfer. Choose Transfer Data when prompted, because formatting erases content. Keep both devices awake and nearby. Interruptions cause failures. After completion, the console reports success, and you can proceed to final cleanup steps. You finish by signing into the target switch 2 and verifying your games, profiles, and save data are present. Check licenses in Nintendo eShop if needed. Once confirmed, handle the micro SD per the prompts. Do not format until you see everything. If something went wrong, reboot both consoles and retry the transfer immediately. Most issues clear with a second attempt. If problems persist after 2 tries, contact Nintendo support with error codes. That provides targeted next steps and minimizes data risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.